everyone, I'm going to show you how to disconnect linked social accounts on Prezi. So to start, go to prezi.com, and once you're here, click your profile at the top right. Once you click that, go to account settings. Now once you're on settings, at the top, you have four choices. So click on profile. So here you have your account information, and at the right side you have your connected social accounts. So from here, click on disconnect to disconnect your social accounts. For example, Google. So click on disconnect just like so, and it will be disconnected. So if it says connect, that means it's already disconnected. So just do the same for the other social accounts. For example, on Facebook, click on disconnect and it will be disconnected. Same as Google Drive, Apple account, or Windows, or a Microsoft account. Now, if you want to connect again, just click on connect. For example, Google, and it will be connected right away. So let's say we want to connect Facebook. So let's click on it. Let's click connect. So you need to enter your email or mobile number and your password. And click on login. And it's running security checks. So click continue. And your Facebook account is now connected to Prezi. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.